guys, Mark from Gunpla Network here, back with another unboxing thanks to the awesome guys over at robocity.com.au. Remember to check out the website, we'll put the link to this kit in the description. They've got a huge range, real grades, high grades, master grade, perfect grades, paints, tools, they've got it all. So if you're looking to do some online shopping, remember to check out their shop, and it's all in Australian dollars, just FYI. So yeah, I'm into build divers now, guys. I haven't had one of these before. My last Build Fighters kit was the not the Striker GNX a few months ago. I did the one based on the Strike. It's staring right at me and I don't know its name. The Strike Glitter, Full Glitter or something, Gundam. Can't remember its name, but check out that review. As always, the Build Fighters kits and now Build Divers, usually they take a base kit, and Bandai were extremely clever in their marketing of this. It's like, well, we've already got the molds. Yeah, let's just rehash them, let's bring them out. And it is hit and miss, but sometimes they score. I've got a feeling this is going to be one of those scores because I think AGE kits are hugely underrated. And because of that, they didn't seem to sell too well or something like that. Outside Japan and certain places like here in Australia, we only ever get about half a dozen you can find on the shelves, and they're never the ones you want. Like I would love an AGE II kit, and there are no HGH kits, AGE IIs to find on the shelf. So with this is the Gundam AGE II Magnum. It's Kyowa Kujo's mobile suit. Hopefully I've said that, from the high grade and Build Divers line. This is number 1 in the line. It was, I think, the first mobile suit you see in Build Divers in the 00 episode, or the prologue that came out earlier in the year. So let's crack on with the box, shall we? Now, if we're going for box art, you've got these logos here saying, you know, this time, date, starto, or start for the it's like SAO, I guess, like Link Start, virtual reality, Gunpla battle. You've got the HG Build Divers logo, Build Divers logo there, more logos there. And you get the AGE II Magnum both in its flight mode and in its mobile suit mode, or Wave Rider and mobile suit mode, I guess you would say. So that's pretty cool. Interesting colors, a darker purpley blue kind of color with the white and a gold and orange yellow. And some clear pieces, which are really cool. So as always, I have plans to repaint this. This is going to end up being like the AGE II Special Forces version. I'm going to paint it pretty much 2 tones of white. But that's just the way I like, and I've wanted one of those forever. Looking around the box, it's a 2018 make. This package contains 1 set of HG Gundam AGE Magnum 2 only. Right, just in case you thought they might have put 2 in there. Bandai. So, we got some posing. You get the Hyper Dodds Rifle Magnum, Beam Sabers, Shiguru's shield, and the funnels. Various hand parts. It's telling you it goes into a Wave Rider mode, Phoenix mode, and then there's some more Build Divers kits down here, the Beam Master, the 00 Diver, and the Grimoire Red Beret. Go around the side, more box art, just telling you about the suit, 001 in the line. And then because it's 2018, you get some English there. A Gunpla used by the champion of GBN, Kyowa Kujo, which used the AGE II as its base. It's a high-spec kit that has been customized. Nice. And you guys should be able to pause there and read the rest of that. It's then got some introduction about Gundam Build Nexus Online. It's an 1800 yen kit, and this feels really hefty for an 1800 yen kit. So that's just more in there. Okie dokie. So we've got an SB9, which is your Beam Saber effect parts runners. There's a very tiny looking sticker sheet, which has 2, 4, 6, maybe 8 stickers on it, which includes the eyes and some parts, foil stickers that go behind clear parts, I'm guessing. K2 runner, and so that's an AGE II. Okay, so it looks like they've just recolored the AGE II parts there. I don't know if you could make the standard AGE II out of this. I guess we'll find out as I build it, and I'll let you know later on. I'm going to guess you might be missing some parts. There we've got the A runner, which includes some dark blue purple, some white, some yellow, and some orange. Really cool. I'm actually digging this orange colour here. It looks really nice for a standard molded colour. We've got the polycaps runner. We then also have the D runner, which is that's joints and knees and stuff. Weapon part. Then we've got the K1 runner, which is that same kind of purpley blue purple. Oh yeah, I think, yep. Okay, there's the funnel and shield effect parts, 2 of those L's. And because this is a kit with a Wave Rider form, I believe the AGE II kits had, or AGE kits had this, you get a clear, like a Bandai stand. It's a kind of a really small one. But that'll be really helpful for posing this kit, because I've got a feeling you'll need a stand for it. We then also have the J runner, which is 2 of those, and this is some parts for the armor and the shield. And you get 2 of those J's. And lastly, there we go, the AGE II Magnum. There it is in the book. Customizing plan telling you that was the AGE II up here. This is what he's done. The modifications he's made. Comes with 2 beam saber parts and handles, though I don't see anywhere where the beam sabers will actually be stored. Telling you about the first 4 kits in the lineup. Obviously there's way more now, but yeah, let's open this up. Okay, it's one of those foldy outy ones I always get confused with. So yeah, saying like, look, you could actually make 2 of the Shiguru shield, but you don't have enough parts, I'm guessing, so you might have to scratch build something if you want to make 2 of them. You just don't use those. I'm seeing a whole heap of polycaps you won't use, effect parts down there, 1 that you won't use, and some X's. I think basically the front skirts, the head, and the wing binders might have been where the main modifications were, and it looks like we may actually have those, so you could actually make an AGE II standard or AGE II normal kit out of it. We're just going to start up here with the body, and then you move down to the head, then the right arm, and we've got English in here obviously. Then we'll go into the left arm. Then you can assemble, once you've done that, ×2 you're going to make the legs. Right leg, left leg differentiations, then you'll make the waist. Then we'll assemble that all up there. It says there's your base that you can make. You can also put it on the diver gear base that you can purchase from this, like the Build Fighters base that you can buy. Then you'll assemble the funnels, which is really cool. And then over here, move out to the back to the color portion, showing you all that. Then we'll assemble the weapons. So we've got the Shiguru shield, the Hyper Dodds Magnum rifle, and 2 beam sabers. Very nice. And then how about transforming it into Wave Rider mode? Now, all accounts, this is actually a really Phoenix mode. This is a really easy kit to transform. Okay. Alright, I haven't done that many transforming kits, guys, so this will be interesting. Alrighty, thank you very much. Let's put all these back in here. Luckily for me, I have a couple of days of travel coming up for work, meaning I'll be stuck in a hotel room at night with nothing to do, so hopefully I should be able to get these snapped up pretty quickly for you, whilst still working on my RGL Strike, which I am painting before review, so that's another one coming up to look forward to. Remember, as always, to check out our sponsor, or my sponsor, robocity.com.au. Also check out gunplanetwork.com, and on that website, I'm not sure if people realised, if you just bookmark that or save that and check it daily, there's constant updates. We put the links to videos, blogs, upcoming kits, reviews. It's all on there. That's like your central point. You can then go out to all of our other Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. It all gets linked up through there. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me for this, and I'll be back with the first look and the review. Alright, catch ya.